Y'all, I got off an airplane today and my ears just pop. Everything seems so much louder. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for that weird intro, but everything does seem a lot louder right now. Literally happened right when I hit the record button, so that was very interesting timing. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name's Angelica Fitzgerald, and if you are not new, welcome back. Today I have a really totally not planned, like totally accidental video that I'm really excited to share with y'all because I just feel like some of the best videos and some of the best products, you find them when you're not looking. And I definitely wasn't, well actually I was wanting one, but I wasn't actively looking. And that is a nail company, a stick-on, a press-on nail company that actually looks legit. So the other day I got my 4th of July nails taken off, which were on for literally 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks longer than they should have been on. So it felt really nice to get those off and have like fresh hands. But anybody that's had acrylic or dip nails, you feel me on your nails really not looking their best or not living their best life when you've gotten your set taken off, which usually leads to us getting them done like right away or getting a fill and like never giving our nails a break, just because it's like a downward spiral that never stops. You keep getting them done to have them look good, and then they just keep getting uglier every single time you get them done. Yeah. So anyways, I really wanted to give my nails like a 3-week break to just grow and have nothing on them. But I just really didn't like the way they looked without the acrylic or the dip nail on them. So I was reached out to the brand I'm going to be sharing with y'all today, which is Tip Beauty, to try their nails. They just wanted to send me a couple sets, see what I thought, give them some feedback, and call it a day. So I tried a set and I was like, oh my God. These are awesome press-on nails. And I have never found a set of press-on nails that I've liked. I honestly pretty much gave up on them. I tried a couple from different brands and it's just, they pop off after like a couple of hours. It's like, what is the point? I finally found a brand that actually gets what the point is of press-on nails, and they are so cute. So in today's video, I'm gonna share the set I have on right now. I actually have one hand that's filed, that's like the shape I like, and one hand that is the way that the nail comes, just so you can see what they look like straight out of the box. And then I'm gonna show you the different nails that I got, different colors, different variety of patterns that come from Tip Beauty. Lots to share about this brand. So if you're ready to learn about a brand I seriously am so excited to find by complete accident, that is an amazing press-on nail brand, keep on watching. Okay, so I want to first off just start off with the set that I have on now, which I've had on all day long. Where the heck did they go? Of course, they're on the bottom of my stack. So it is a pink to white ombre set, which these lights are great and blinding. So I'm going to attach a photo somewhere on the screen so you can see what these look like. They're one of Tip Beauty's more calm colors, out of like some of their other stuff that are like bright and crazy. And I wanted just like an everyday nice nail. So they are $12, which is super affordable. They come with 28 separate nails. So you get 2 full sets and 8 just in case during the application process you mess up. You have a couple of backups in different shapes. And then I'm just gonna share this right now at the beginning of the video because I just got a code activated literally like 20 minutes ago. I emailed them actually letting them know my thoughts on their nails because I was like, these are awesome. I can't believe that more companies don't have press-on nails like this. Like, these are a great quality product for a fantastic price, and most importantly, like a good value. Like, you're actually gonna have cute nails for 2 weeks or so, week and a half or so, and they're not just gonna fall off. You can like live your life like normal. So they were able to activate a discount code for me, which makes me even more excited because it makes these very inexpensive nails even less expensive. So it was $12 for a box. My code Angelica20, which I will write down somewhere around here for correct spelling, saves you 20% off of the entire website. So it makes just one of these boxes. It's $12, $10. Which is like the cheapest set of cute nails you'll ever have in your life. Because like I mentioned, one box has 2 full sets and a couple extras. So it's like $5 a set. You heard that correctly. $5 a set. My nail sets that I go to the salon to get done are like literally 50 times that. They're like 100 plus. So to have a set of cute nails for $5 is mind-blowing for me. Me personally, I didn't ever think like a cute set of nails existed for $5. That actually like lasted and didn't look super cheapy and fake. And these do not look cheapy at all. I went up to my husband today and he was like, "When did you go get your nails done? We just got home." I was like, yes, that is the reaction you want. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the other styles they have because I ordered like a ton. And they have even more on the website than here. So I'll just attach the Tip Beauty link down below. So if you want to check out the website, definitely check the description box. Also, if you are ever wondering, I know you're wondering this all the time, how can I support Angelica? Using any of the links in the description box. Most of them are affiliate links, so I will earn a small percentage if you do choose to shop, or if you're already gonna buy like a product I mentioned in a video, it will be linked down below and doesn't cost you anything, but if you use those links, I will get a little kickback. So I greatly appreciate that. If you are wanting to support me at all, thank you very much. So let's get into looking at some of the different styles because y'all, I just can't wait to wear all of these. Okay, a really cute set of nails that's like pinky, purpley, tie-dye, like so freaking cute. I don't know when I'm gonna wear these, but I just wanted them. Is these, I know they all have special names. I don't remember what they are. Gosh darn it, these lights are just not gonna work for this video. Okay, I'm gonna move some stuff around and see if we can't get this to work. One moment. All right, guys, we figured this out. I have to be out of the frame and I severely dimmed the lights, but y'all can actually see these better. Oh, actually, before I share these, I'm gonna share my actual nails with y'all. Look, this is the ones I have on right now. Like, how cute do these look? These are ombre. They look really natural. They look like acrylic nails. They really look great. This one is the version that comes right out of the package. I mean, if you can live your life with these claws, then you go for it. I cannot imagine going about every day with super long nails like this, so I just filed them down. Now, I am not talented with nails at all, so y'all, if I can make this shape, so can you. This did not take like any talent. This was just, I chopped them and I used a little filer and this is the end result. So I'm very happy with how they look. This is just a nice everyday clean hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all now some of the other little colors that I got. Okay, so as I was showing you before, these purple and pink, like paint splash tie-dye looking ones, these are so pretty. Cannot wait to wear these. I also got these teal ones, which these are actually a little bit more rounded right there. So a little bit more subtle, but this color is awesome. Such a great summer color. I definitely went out of my comfort zone with these. So these are like pink nails with different colored diagonal tips. So it's like purple, pink, orange, blue, dark purple. Like these are so fun. I think the beauty about like press-on nails is that if you want to just pop them off, you can do it whenever you want. So you could like dress a whole outfit just around the nails, which is so fun. All right, I got like a clean white set, which pretty much works for any season. And I think white nails are so pretty. So really love these. These are also the long ones. So if you really want to get your glamazon on and rock the long nails, these ones are definitely a good way to go. So I got 3 sets of nails for fall. I know I'm thinking like a little bit ahead, but I mean, if you think about it, fall is like right around the corner. So these are a little bit more glamorous. Like I love the design on them, the little black accent nail. Tip Beauty has a lot of design nails. I'm not like the most design loving person, but I thought since it's like tan muted, it's not like super colorful, I could get a little bit adventurous and do a design. So I think these are gonna be really pretty for an event in the fall time. Another fall set I got is this really, really, really dark, almost like bourbon brown. These are so pretty and dramatic. These would also work in like Christmas time if you had an event. Oh, I love these. And the last set I got are these gorgeous, simple, just plain tan ones. Honestly, these are gonna be the ones that I probably go and order a ton of because tan and beige and nude and all the brown colors is like my favorite. Like I love that color palette and I'm gonna wear the heck out of these for fall time. So These are definitely my favorite. I saved the best for last, or at least what I considered the best for last. So that was all of the nails that I ordered. The last thing I did get from Tip Beauty was their Handy Dandy Souffle Hand and Nail Cream. This has vitamin A and C in it, which is great for like your nail beds. And I just honestly wanted to try it because everything on their website is so cute and so inexpensive. It's just like very easy to add to cart on the Tip Beauty website, not gonna lie. But that's basically it. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. Wanted to talk about the nails. I'm gonna go file these down so they actually match this hand, but I am really, really, really happy with how these have performed. If you want to know further thoughts, like long-term, how long they lasted, definitely go give me a follow on Instagram. I'll put my handle somewhere on the screen because I'm gonna give daily updates on how they're performing. I mean, I do dishes, I work a lot, I'm very hands-on with my job. I have a dog who is he's like a little piggy. I mean, he's sleeping right now, actually. He looks like a little angel, but he's a French bulldog, so he's a piggy. And I'm just very busy, like all of us, like I'm sure you are watching. So y'all will probably wanna know long-term, like how do they handle real world stuff? So go give me a follow, shoot me a DM. This video is like a little bit older, and I will for sure have an answer for you. But I'm gonna be doing an update every single day on my Instagram to let y'all know, like, hey, I just did the dishes and they are literally have not budged a bit. Or I just ran 5 million errands and they were good to go. So if you are interested in any of these nails, definitely make sure to use that discount code to save 20% on all of Tip Beauty's products. I am so genuinely happy I found this brand. To this day, I'm 25 years old, have not found a press-on nail that lasts for more than like one night, like one event, which I know press-on nails are not gonna last you a month, but to at least get like a good solid week, like that's worth it in my opinion. And you're also not doing nearly as much damage to your nail using these as you are getting an acrylic or a dip nail, which was my main reason for wanting to try these, because I wanted to have cute nails while my nails got a little bit of a break from the acrylic and the dip. So I hope this video was helpful. If you were looking for a really cute press-on nail brand that actually works, feel free to shoot me any questions in the comments below or on Instagram. I'm an open book and I definitely want to be a good resource to help y'all find the best products at the best deal possible. So other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.